So the issues I had with printing my A6 flyers were finally sorted. So printing, what they call Pixar Printing, are an Italian-based company. They're not based in the UK. And I didn't realise this, and I think a lot of their promotion and advertising is directed to the UK. So they don't actually, I think they subcontract their work to third parties in the UK. Because I don't believe that they'd print such a small amount of, such a small volume of items in Italy and send it to the UK. That makes no sense to me. Anyway, still haven't received my refund for the goods I paid for. They said because they're in Italy, it's an international refund, so it's going to take more than 3 to 5 days. But what I did do was place an order with Solopress. So I think I placed the order on Sunday night or Monday. I placed the order with Solopress, who are based in the UK, somewhere south, I think. And then they were printed the following day and sent the day after. So it's taken all of 3 days to receive these. So I've had these things come in, and I haven't opened the box yet, and I'm really excited to. So this is the box that it came in. It's pretty heavy. I mean, from what they've put on the front, it looks fine. I don't know how to. Oh, now you can't see me. Oh, these are nice. Are these alright? I didn't need them banded up. I just needed them printing. Yeah, I didn't need them banding up, so they're all just loose in the box. But I mean, yeah, that's all right. I think actually it could have been on a heavier paper because they're pretty see-through. I don't know if you can see there that they're see-through. I don't think you can. But yeah, I am happy with that. Front and back, exactly what I wanted. So yeah, I'm on my way out this morning. I need to go and help a friend with something, and then I need to go and speak to the guy that said he wanted a website, take him his proposal to him, and then speak to go and see someone else who also requested a website. So I'm going to go and do that today. But the main thing was to get on here with regards to these. So I'm really pleased with that. So if anyone wants any printing done and you're based in the UK and you want it done quickly, go to Solopress. I have used a company called Docs Printing before, but I don't think they specialize in cutting to this size, because the price to cut to this size was like 80 something pounds, whereas Solopress was only about 35, and there's no VAT on them either, I don't think. So yeah, Docs Printing or Solopress for your A6 flyers.